Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 update error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, click on update and security. Go to your troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, select a Windows update and run the troubleshooter. After that, close it and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type up services. Open a services, find out a Windows update. Open up Windows Update Services and make sure that it's selected automatic. After that, click on Start button and apply and OK button and restart the services. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator privileges. So after that, type a command is sfc /scan now. After completing that, type a exit and exit the after doing this stat, once again in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is dism /online /cleanup -image /restart component cleanup. Startup start component cleanup and press enter. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, open any browser and search engine, type a Windows 10 download. Click on first link, download Windows 10 disk image. Create Windows 10 installation media. Click on download button. Now click on save button, open it, click on accept button.